Quick look at doing a deep cylinder clean on your washing machine, just manually, right? Get yourself some of these active washing machine cleaner tablets. Look like dishwasher tablets, just have to unwrap. Drop them in the drum. Close. Come to your washing machine, turn it on. Now find a cycle. Just so happens that mine is the first one that goes up to the maximum temperature. So toggle through the temp. When you go there, you can see this one, Cotton's, goes up to 90, which is a lot. Now the instructions on the box for these say 15 minutes of the machine, let it sit. So let's try that. So 90 degrees. I'm not sure it's going to get up to that. I'll come and check. I can check how warm it is. It should be really warm by touching. Yeah. Okay, so come back shortly. Okay, so I've come back just over 15 minutes later, and you can see it's on the 90 wash, but if I touch the glass, it is warm. So what I'm going to do, while it's still got a lot of water in there, I'm going to pause it. In this case, just pressing start. Now that'll pause it, and what I'm going to do is get some hot water, and I've already got this bucket. You should probably use like a jug or something, and we're going to add water through the detergent drawer to fill up the water inside. So let's see. So you can see at the moment it's quite a low water level. I'll put that light on. It's quite low down there. I'll show you. We want to get it just above the seal, so we're soaking a lot of the cylinder as well, and let it soak. And actually the recommendation from the text online is, instead of pausing it, just turn it off at the wall. Okay, so then when you turn it back on, then you can continue your cycle on most machines, but if not, just restart. So let's get some hot water, put it through here now. As I said, this isn't ideal. You really want something smaller, but whatever works. And let's just pour it into the detergent compartment, okay? So this way it's like a hack to clean more of your machine. And you'll see the technician guys do this as well. What that does is then it allows you just to get much more hot water in there and let it soak. So I'm just going to repeat that until it gets to a certain line. And if it's easier also, you can just take the detergent drawer out just by pressing that tab down and pulling it out. And you'll see I've got this hole that actually, this hot water is doing a lot of good to that hole as well. In my case, it is not great, but anyway, that's just an alternative. I'm going to keep filling probably about 4 of these buckets or tubs. Okay, so I'm going to put the drawer back in. Just note, just tab down, and then you should be able to get in. Yep. And you can see now my water level's at the right level. And that's why it's really important to have 90 degrees at the start, because on my water, I haven't got enough to get that much hot water in. And so when it does cool down, it's still warm. You can see just above the seal should be good. And let's leave that for 3 hours and come back. Okay, hello again. So I've come back now 3 hours later. And let's cool down a little bit. You can still see it's got that water in it. So if I turn it back on the wall, yep, see it's remembered. Now if I just press start, and I can let it run through. I want to come back when it's finished and give it a wipe down. So let's do that. The magic of editing now. And you'll see again some nice suds there as well, which is a good sign, I should add. Definitely want to be seeing that. All looks good so far. Let's leave this run through and come back. Okay, so that cycle is now done. The last step then is to just get inside and give everything a wash, a wipe rather, with a clean cloth. And let's see if we can just get any of that grime. And simply, if I may say it, rinse and repeat until you've done the whole drum. You can see some of this stuff on here. And then once you've done that, you've completed a deep clean. Probably want to do one of these about once a year and you're good. So check out this video for more on the channel. Thank you for watching. I hope it was useful. I'll see you soon.